Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is May the 26th, 2020. Hope you all had a wonderful holiday on yesterday. Now it's time to get back to it. We're going to give you all an update on Tesla and see whether or not if this particular stock is going to crash or can it continue to move higher in price. This is some things that I just want to pinpoint and show to each and every one of you as to why we may be thinking that Tesla may not be that strong as what some people may be inquiring about. Right, so if this is your first time watching our video, hit that like button, share the video, and then join us on our website, HueFinancial.com, as well as on our other social media platforms, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. You could definitely find a lot of screenshots of when we notice things changing from our prior forecasts and predictions in the stock market. Okay, so let's talk about Tesla. And the last time we did our video on Tesla on YouTube was on May the 9th. And we were looking for the market in Tesla to continue to see the prospect of higher price, and generally it has not played out that way. You know, the market continues to show us it wants to move higher, but it is finding a very hard time breaking above $840 per share. That is one reason why we are under this suspicion that Tesla may be in fact due for a movement to the downside. You guys can see right here, let me zoom in. And you guys can see prior to today, we were expecting Tesla to continue to see the market move higher in price, and it's trying. I'm not going to tell you that it's not. It is definitely trying to continue to see the movement higher in price, but it continues to get rejected right there around $840. So if you was not able to grab some of this profit out the market in Tesla around $840, $845, you might want to reevaluate your overall strategy that you have going on for this particular stock. Okay, so first thing I want to talk about. So what we're going to do is go ahead and take this one off as a wash. Might even be around a break even or a minor loss in our forecast for Tesla. Okay, that we did all the way back here on the 9th of May. Okay, so let's go ahead and get rid of that. And that's my first point I want to show you, is that right here in this vicinity is where the market in Tesla is finding some restriction. Okay. What I'm going to do, I'm going to straighten up my chart. I'm going to get rid of this ascending line right here. And we're going to play the market on this restriction level right there around $840. Okay. You guys can see that it has played a focal point in Tesla's price all the way back here on the 5th of February 2020. It also played a factor on the 18th of February. And it definitely played a factor right here on the 30th of April. Also, the 11th of May, and then once again numerous consecutive days in Tesla stock, the market has been rejected at $840. So I'm here to tell you that the market trapper is definitely being unsuccessful in tracking the stock price of Tesla above $840. And on the daily time frame, the longer that the market is not able to crack above $840, you can't expect the market movement to the downside to play out. Plain and simple. Taking a look at Tesla on the weekly time frame, a little bit better, a little bit cleaner. Right on these 2 weeks right here, we should have seen the market in Tesla capitalize off that price move, but it didn't do it. As a matter of fact, the last 2 consecutive weeks, Tesla's trying, but the market trapper is being unsuccessful. So we are telling you now, in general, the market in Tesla is not overly that strong. In fact, it is transitioning over into one of weakness. So we're going to play the weakness in Tesla once again. Rather than seeing the market strength in Tesla playing out, we're going to play the market weakness now. So we're going to go ahead and put in the forecast in Tesla with the forecast of it going lower in price. We're going to hold $840 as a restriction level. Definitely need to pinpoint that area. I'm going to tag it up just a little bit higher for restriction around 860. Okay, playing this on the daily time frame. Now, another thing that I want to make mention is that you guys can tell that we're not too far from a support area of about $800. So we'll definitely skin some of that off the table at $800, which will be about 2% market move in Tesla to the downside. So we're going to shave off a little bit around $800 because I can definitely see the trap trying to hold that price in Tesla at 800. But we're definitely going to expect to continue to move a little bit lower in price, maybe around 750 or so, and then we'll re-gauge it to see whether or not the weakness is still dominating the market, or if the trap is going to be able to hold support at 800 or even $760. All right, so this is it. 5 minutes of your time. You guys understand what we're noticing on the price chart for Tesla, and we're still going to expect the market weakness to play out and looking for it to go to the downside in price. Make sure you join us. Website HueFinancial.com, and you know what? Make sure you maintain that profitability, and I'm out.